So this is week 2 of me learning how to install a wig or my wig like a pro. I don't want to ever book somebody else to do it for me. Therefore, I'm going to learn this, come hell or high. I'm going to perfect this. So this is week 2. The first time I did this, well, I believe that it wasn't too bad, but obviously practice makes perfect. So this is week 2. Let's see how today goes. The plan is to do this for at least 6 weeks. 6 weeks, that's it. So by the 6th week I should be a pro. Yeah, so this is the plan, that's the plan. So I need to stick to it, you know. Otherwise I'm going to keep wasting money on something that I know I can do. All right, so let's do this. I prepped it a little bit using this. The reason why I did that was at least to straighten it, because I know that I cannot straighten it properly at the back, so I wanted to make sure it's well straightened before I can install it. Okay, so this is it. What I'm gonna do now is just to glue it. So last time I used the Got2b glue, but today I am using a different one. I am using this one. This one. I used this before, so I know it's good. So what I'm gonna do is, oops. This glue is giving me a hard time, so I was struggling with it. That's why I had to do it off camera for a little bit. So I'm going to use this, and hopefully then I'll be able to fix whatever. For some reason today I struggled. I couldn't do it. I don't know whether it's the glue, but one thing I know is that I do need a new frontal for this wig. So you can see like it's all over the place, you know, but as far as the installation goes, like just to, you know, I think it's okay, I'm getting there, but I still need more practice. So I couldn't even show the process because I'm like, oh no, I can't keep up, I can't. So I was upset with myself, upset with the wig as well. I'm like, why is it giving me hard time? So I feel like the first time was even a lot better than today, but it's okay. So this wig is the one that I use for practice. So I was saying, so I probably need a new frontal, so that will make it easy for me to practice, because this frontal, I feel like it's just gone, so it makes it difficult for me to actually put it together, you know. I do have other wigs though, but I don't want to use them for practice because I feel like I use them when I'm going somewhere. So hopefully very soon I'll be able to install them without having issues. So I couldn't show the process, like I said, because it was giving me hard time. But I'm going to go ahead and upload this video anyway, you know, because I haven't uploaded in a long time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and upload it. So hopefully the next one will be much better, you know. Yeah, so I am hoping again to upload another video. I just need to finish editing it, just to finalize editing it, and then I can upload. So 2 videos up this week actually. So yeah, anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. I shall see you on my next one.